Hello everyone, this is Punil and today I will be briefing you about a 30 by 50 site which is facing towards the western side. That means the road is facing towards the western side and the main door is facing towards the north. This is the north. Basically this is a rectangular plot which we have developed in Bangalore for one of our client, where the client has a specific requirement such that the entire plot and in ground floor and first floor should be having a eco-friendly environment with more greener elements around the building. As per the client's recommendation, we have provided 8 feet lawn at the entrance. That is, southwest corner of the entire plot is provided with a lawn, where the entrance for this lawn will be provided from the car parking area and again from the living area. Apart from these specific requirements, the client also had additional requirement like the maid entering the building should be entering from the apart from the main door. He wanted a separate entrance for the utility, such that we have provided a small door here, utilizing the passage space available here and providing the access to the utility here, such that the maid coming directly enters the utility from the additional door provided here. The ground floor consists of 25% of the greener elements distributed to the various parts of the plot, and as soon as you enter from the car wash area, you will be landing in the living area, which is 12.5 feet by 12 feet. And this from the living area, you will be having a direct access to the garden area, where this complete area will be completely covered with the mesh. As you move towards the eastern side, here comes the dining area, which is elevated 1 feet higher than the living area. 2 steps will be provided at this portion, where this dining area will be completely isolated from the living area in terms of elevation, which will create a noise isolation kind of thing. And we have taken care of the dining area with more greener elements here, where just to the southern side we have created a lawn, one more lawn here, where the puja room is created at the center of the lawn here, facing towards the western side as per the specific client's requirement. The access for the puja room has been created with the natural stones placed in the lawn area. We have also have an option such that we can also include this complete portion with the water, so that we can give a floating type of effect for the puja room. The client has a specific requirement, one more additional requirement, so that they need a bedroom for his elder parents in the ground floor. Just to isolate and create a noise isolation, we have considered the bedroom for the parents at this corner, at the northeast corner, so that complete isolation from the mass will be created here. And this bedroom is also is placed at a nearer distance from the toilet. Complying to the Vastu, this Agnimala has been designed as kitchen, where the kitchen is spaced at 10 feet by 9 feet. Just adjacent to that is the storeroom and a utility. As I mentioned, utility will be provided with additional door here from the outside, where the maid can directly access without entering the main building. And moving to the first floor, as soon as you land in the passage, you will be able to see the cutout here, where you will be able to see the greener elements here in the ground floor and the puja room, which is placed there. Just to the right side, you will be having a master bedroom at the Kumarbola, which is placed at a higher elevation as per the Vastu, and it is provided with an attached toilet of 9 feet by 5 feet. And to the left side, you will be having a reading space or library kind of thing, where this space is created for the children for reading purpose and study purpose. And here one more bedroom has been created for the children's, where it is also provided with additional attached toilet 9 feet by 8.5 feet. And apart from these main elements, we also included a terrace gardening to enhance the greener environment kind of thing. Here we have provided the terrace gardening in the front, which will add on to the elevational point of view. And half of the space is utilized for yoga, where above it will be placed with pergola for architectural point of view. And this complete plot is around 1500 square feet, and ground floor area is 837 square feet, and first floor built up area is 661 square feet, where the total built up area is 1498 square feet. If you are curious about how this complete plan looks when it is practically done, please do subscribe to our channel and to see the latest walkthrough of this building. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and share our video, and please do consider hitting the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you.